Hey there, Halloween health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of a humble yet powerful superfood that's probably sitting on your porch right now. That's right, we're talking pumpkins. Stick around to discover how this orange wonder can revolutionize your health, tantalize your taste buds, and even help you save some green. Let's get gourding. See what we did there? First up, let's carve into the incredible health benefits of pumpkins. Pumpkins are packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, and B vitamins. 1 cup of cooked pumpkin has only 49 calories, but over 200% of your daily vitamin A needs. The beta-carotene in pumpkins is crucial for maintaining healthy eyesight. Lutein and zeaxanthin in pumpkins may protect against age-related eye diseases. Vitamins A and C help fight infections and boost white blood cell production. Don't forget about the pumpkin seeds. They're loaded with zinc for extra immune support. Potassium in pumpkins helps regulate blood pressure. The fiber content can help lower cholesterol levels. Studies show that the carotenoids in pumpkins may lower the risk of certain cancers. Antioxidants in pumpkins protect your skin from damage and promote collagen production. Low in calories, but high in fiber, pumpkins can help you feel full and satisfied. Fiber in pumpkins promotes regular bowel movements and a healthy gut microbiome. Now that we know why pumpkins are so healthy and amazing, let's whip up some delicious and nutritious pumpkin recipes. For a pumpkin smoothie bowl, you'll need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth, pour into a bowl, and top with granola, pumpkin seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Next, for a roasted pumpkin and quinoa salad, gather 2 cups of diced pumpkin, 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. Roast the pumpkin at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 to 25 minutes. Mix the roasted pumpkin with quinoa and pumpkin seeds, drizzle with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and season with salt and pepper. Finally, for a healthy pumpkin spice latte, you'll need 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 shot of espresso, or 1/4 cup of strong coffee, and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, totally optional, of course. Heat the almond milk in a saucepan, whisk in the pumpkin puree, spices, and vanilla. Add the espresso or coffee, and sweeten with maple syrup if desired. To make this latte a little extra special, top with marshmallows and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Don't toss those pumpkins after Halloween. Here are some eco-friendly ways to repurpose them. Chop up your pumpkin and add it to your compost bin for nutrient-rich soil. Cut your pumpkin in half, fill with birdseed, and hang in your yard. Clean out the pumpkin, fill with soil, and use as a biodegradable planter for fall flowers. Roast pumpkin chunks, blend, and freeze for future recipes. Mix pumpkin puree with honey and a bit of milk for a nourishing face mask. Simmer pumpkin puree with apple cider, cinnamon, and maple syrup for a delicious spread. There you have it, folks. Pumpkins aren't just for jack-o'-lanterns anymore. From boosting your health to tantalizing your taste buds and even helping the environment, these orange orbs are true superfoods. So next time you see a pumpkin, remember you're looking at a powerhouse of nutrition and versatility. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more health hacks and superfood secrets. For all the latest sustainable living and eco-friendly products, hop on over to drgreengeek.com. Until next time, stay healthy and happy Halloween.